We are on 6.3. Halfway through chapter 6, friends. Like, we're making it. This chart and all of its awesome numbers are on page 327. Please take time to write it down. This chart and all of its numbers are on page 328. Please take a minute and write it down. We are working on page 331. We are working on problems 4, 7, and 9. These are not easy. I don't love it. So, we just gotta get through it. Number 4, we have hectograms, and we're going down to grams. So we started with a large, and we went down to small. Again, keeping our same numbers, went to a large, went down to a small. We're working with the metric system, so we can just use our decimal. Move to the right. How many jumps? 1, 2. So here's a decimal. 1, 2. 1,720 grams. I wish we could say that we were done now, but we cannot say we're done now. Moving on to number 7. 87 ounces is how many pounds with how many ounces left over? In 1 pound, there are 16. So, again, going with this, we're trying to get from ounces to pounds, and we went from a small to a large. Small to a large, we have to divide. What are we going to divide? That goes inside the house. And there are 16 ounces in a pound. So, I think it goes into it 5 times. Okay, 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 1 plus 3 is 80. That's 8. Subtract it and I get 7. This is how many pounds and this is the ounces left over. So there are 5 pounds with 7 ounces left over. Okay. Now on to the big one. On number 9, it's a story problem. It says there's 52 ounces of swordfish selling for that much money, $6.92 per pound. Okay, if it is selling per pound, you can't have just like leftover ounces. Okay, so when you do this, you need to have it go into a decimal point of pounds. I know it's confusing. We'll get through it. Hopefully. So, 52 ounces, and we have to divide it into pounds, which is 16. My guess is 3. We'll see if it gets close to it. 3 times that is 18. 4. I subtract these 2. I get a 4, and that is less than 16, so I'm good. 3, and remember, I can't just say it's 3 pounds and something ounces. I have to put it into decimal form. Okay, so I'm going to bring down this. I'm going to say that 16 times 2 gets me close to 40. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. I subtract that and get an 8. 5 times 6 is 30, put a 0 and a 3. 5 times 1 is 5, plus the 3 is 8. 0. Okay, is how many pounds there is. 3.25. 3.25 pounds, and it's $6.92 per pound. Okay, so you need to multiply these two together. Hopefully you know your multiplication. 2 times 5, 10. 2 times 2 plus 1, 5. 2 times 3, 6. You're done with this 2. Put a placeholder. Everyone forgets their placeholder, and they shouldn't. 9 times 5, 45. 9 times 2, 18, plus 4, 22. 9 times 3, 27, 29. I'm done with my 9. I now have 2 x's here. I needed to put 2 placeholders here. Get rid of my numbers on top. 6 times 5, 30. 6 times 2, 12, plus 3, 15. 6 times 3, 18, plus 1, 19. Add all of those together. See how these are in nice, neat columns? That will make things easier to add. So hopefully you write things in nice, neat columns when you're multiplying. 0 plus nothing. 5 plus 5. 1 plus 6 plus 2. 9 plus 5. Carry the 1. I like to combine 9 and 1 because I know that those make 10 plus the 2. And 1 plus 1, 2. Now we need to count our decimals. 1, 2, 3, 4. There was 4 decimals in our original problem, so I need to move this over 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. How much did that much swordfish cost at this price? It cost $22.49. Okay, on your worksheet, 6.3, you need to do all 4 problems on the front and all the problems on the back. Again, no lines. You have to write this side, wherever the correct answer is, on this side, okay? Make sure you write it in. Good luck, have an amazing day. Goodbye.